This smartphone has a moving aperture all the way to 1.42 to 40. 1.4, 20, 2.8, 40. This smartphone can record all the way to 8K 30 frames per second, but for the purpose of this video, we are on a 4K 30. Because in 4K 60, you cannot switch lenses during the recording. This is wide-angle lens, video stabilization test. We have a beautiful day, no clouds, very little wind. Vlogging style, if you want to vlog from this smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. And you can compare this video to the Ultra version, to the iPhone, Samsung's, Oppo, Huawei's, all kinds of smartphones. Same place, but different weather, different time. One X, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15X. Can we read the license plate? Not really. Has to be a little bit closer. Okay, now we can read it. But it is smooth. If you can control lenses during the recording, all of them, then you can make a smooth video like that. Without it, it will not be possible. All right. Autofocus in wide-angle lens, is it available? Yes, it is. Then you can make a macro, a beautiful macro. Main lens, 1X. Also available, of course, it will be available. And very smooth, not jittery at all, and quick. Look how quick that is. That is very quick. In telephoto, like 3X, you see different lens. You see the difference between the telephoto lens and, there you go, between 3X and 2.8. That's a huge difference. But we still have autofocus. Front-facing camera can go all the way to 4K 60, but for the purpose of this video, 4K 30. Autofocus, not available, unfortunately. But if I get close, I'm still in focus, so it's okay, I guess. Full length of my arm. Sky, is it overexposing the sky? Not really. Okay, a bit. If I close my face, I cover my face, not... if I cover my face, it should... You see? Look at the sky. And bam. The algorithm wants to brighten up my face, so it will also brighten up the sky. All the Chinese smartphones are like that. All the smartphones like that. Not only Chinese, but Chinese are more effective. Vlogging style. Okay, what else do we have in this smartphone? And we do have a Pro mode for photo and for the video. We can shoot ultra raw and 50 megapixels if you wanted to. Also the regular raw and JPEG aspect ratio, auto, X position settings, histogram and stuff like that. If we switch to a video, you can see the microphones on the top, showing us the strength gain. We have 30, we have 60, we have 8K. No, we don't have 8K in the Pro mode. That is strange. We do have vlog. If you want to film with vlog, it is very possible to do that. And movie mode. My dear friend, movie mode. Oh, we do have an airplane somewhere. There it is. I'm not sure if you're able to see it in the movie mode. Oof. It's too much. It's just too much. Okay, in the movie mode, we will have a tracking, very cool tracking from Xiaomi. We will see it in a matter of seconds. Xiaomi, so it will track many subjects at the same time. It's very nice. Video, In the video, you can go wide angle, telephoto all the way to 15. We do have HDR, aperture, super macro, super steady, but unfortunately only in full HD, which is pointless. No one will record in full HD. It's such a great smartphone. How can we turn it off? We have also HDR and 30 frames per second. Aspect ratio shows teleprompter motion. Try if you want to. There's also a photo mode, and in the photo mode we can zoom way further, which is 70x, but photo like that will be blurry all the way. Of course it will. This is like electronic zoom. I think 2x, that's the maximum for this. It doesn't have a periscope zoom. So there you go. Portrait. If we go back to the photo, and if we switch to the front-facing camera, all right, we do have assist cam style, AI cam, watermark, super macro, Leica, so it will change the colors. You can see Leica vibrant and Leica authentic. If we switch to the front-facing camera, we do have beauty mode and bokeh effect, makeup. If you wanted to, there are some filters. Okay, we have to go somewhere else. This is very windy under the bridge. It is very windy. Oh, much better. And more. In more department, we do have 50 megapixels from all the lenses. Also in wide angle. Let me show you those photos. 50 megapixels. That's pretty good. HD review. That is pretty decent. Panorama time lapse. Fast shot. Fast shot is for the fast moving subjects like birds and stuff like that. Maybe I will find some birds. I'm not sure where. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Motion tracking, assist cam, if you wanted to. And of course, we have a director mode. And in the director mode, you can connect a second camera, if you have one. You can record not only in full HD, but also... Wait a minute. Can we record in 4K? Apparently not. I'm not sure why. I must switch. I'm not sure what did I switch, but apparently not. You have log and like that, and of course tons and tons of filters, even more filters. There you go. I don't know. Let's move on. In the end, this smartphone is great. It has all the features which you can find in Ultra. Okay, 10% less. But the price is 40% less. So why not spend all that money and have a flagship experience with a 1.4 lens, which is one of the brightest lens in the market. Link in the description for you with additional discount code. See you next video. Bye.